Welcome back to Cars with Queens. Today we're here with Brandon, also known as Roti Express. Shout out to him.
Yes,
follow him on Instagram. Just got a great deal on this 97 Civic DX, which means it's got the roly-polies, no sunroof, 1.6 liter motor. And these are really hard to find original nowadays. But I got this one. It's gonna be a project car. Gonna try to bring this thing back to life. It's one family-owned, lifetime Long Island car, and of course it's an older car, so we're gonna have lots of stuff that we can work on in this car. As you guys can see, original hubcaps. Might need a door. Clear coat, not that bad. I mean, you guys know with these older Honda products, clear coat tends to go bad, but this is gonna be a really fun project. Hasn't really been on the road in the past 6 months, but when I'm done with it, it'll be perfect. Perfect little car, especially in this economy with these gas prices. Only 136,000 miles on this bad boy. Very, very clean. For a $1,400 car, it's not bad at all. And that was the asking price. I mean, obviously you want to negotiate once you're making a car deal, but at that price, it was just gonna go so fast. So I had to make some quick decisions, and luckily I was able to get this car. Shout out to Brandon for the great deal on this car. I mean, I've always wanted one of these. Ever since I had sold my Corolla, I've been wanting a small Japanese car, 4-cylinder. Came with a full tank of gas. But they're just so fun to push around. This car, we have to do some revs right now and annoy everyone. Let me know how it sounds, guys. Classic. This is what you hear going through your neighborhood at 2 a.m. with straight pipes, at least in my neighborhood. Now that we're finally back home, we can kind of take a closer look at the car. So this is definitely the rough side of the car. Obviously, you know, it's a project car. It's not going to look like $1 million just yet, but this is kind of like the side that's going to need the most kind of work. I think I'm just going to get a new door, and then this should be fun. First time doing some rust repair on my own, so I will document all of that for you guys, as well as the clear coat, which is not really in that bad of shape. On the other side, the door is kind of much of the same. As you guys can see, lots of clear coat missing. Fender also some clear coat missing. Very typical of these Honda products, but this is definitely relatively nice compared to a lot of the others that I've seen, even newer Hondas with worse clear coat fading. That sound you guys hear right now is the idle air control valve. That needs to be replaced. That's right up top, so won't be too hard of a job. Everything on this car is really easy to fix and work on, which is why people love these cars so much, and it's so fun to push this car around. It just is so light, so nimble, so agile. Going inside, once again, very clean. These back seats look like they've never been used, basically. I mean, not a lot of room back here, but you could probably fit some of your smaller friends. Overall, pretty clean. I'm gonna shampoo out this carpet, and it'll be looking like a brand new car again. As you guys can see, we got the roly-polies. No power on the DX model. You needed to get the EX to get power. No hood props on this bad boy, but here's a quick look under the hood. It's got the 1.6 liter motor. Sorry for the noise, I hate it too. The battery is on its way out. Of course, it's been sitting for a long time, so I always try to get a new battery whenever I buy cars like this that have been sitting. The engine could use a good detailing and cleaning, so that should all be fun. But it's also missing a belt for the AC, so the AC doesn't work at the moment. And these headlights are definitely restorable, very easy job. And once we do that, this car will be in pretty good shape overall. And I can't wait to update you guys on what I do on the 1997 Honda Civic EK project. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want to see more. And stay tuned for the next one.